Example for this is, imagine a large online retail company that stores customer credit card and details and purchase histories. To make sure that this information stays safe from hackers, the company implements an ISMS that follows the ISO 27001 standards. So once the system is in place, the independent auditor checks the company follows the ISO 27001 rules. If everything is secure, the company receives a 27001 certification. While the ISO 27001 focuses on certification of the ISMS, ISO 27002 then provides guidelines for the best practices in managing information security. So example for this is the same online retail store could use ISO 27002 to improve their ISMS. These standards offers a set of best practices like encrypting sensitive data, training staff to recognize phishing attacks, and regularly updating software to prevent security breaches. While companies don't get certified under ISO 27002, they can use it as a guide to strengthen their security measures. So, the importance of 27001 and 27002 ISO is, firstly, for companies, they get certified, they can show their customers, partners, and regulators that they can take information security seriously. For daily operations, once they get certified, companies need to integrate their information security management system into their daily operations. So next is the National Institute for Standards and Technology, or the NIST. So NIST created a cybersecurity framework that helps organizations manage and reduce their cybersecurity risks. So this framework is flexible, so it can be adapted to fit the needs for any organization, whether it is a small business or large corporation. So their goal is to protect systems, network, and data from cyber threats. So they have guide. Firstly, the identify, understand what resources, data systems, and equipment need protection. Number 2 is to protect, develop security measures to safeguard critical systems and data. Number 3 is to detect, monitor systems for any unusual activity that might indicate a security breach. And number 4 is to respond, take action when a security event occurs, like data breach or system attacks. 5 is recover, it restores services and operations after a cybersecurity incident and improve their systems to prevent future attacks. So they can reduce the chances of cyber attacks and respond effectively in incidents.